Well, on YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am at the end of my shift and I'm getting ready to drive home. I have actually had the shift from hell.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently. That's okay.
And oh my god, my voice sounds so like dried out. I didn't drink any water today. I didn't have any time to do I didn't have any time to go to the bathroom. You know the shift rough when you can't even relieve yourself. I'm on my way home now, trying to make it in this thing called life. My drive looks pretty good right now. It's all green, which is unusual. Typically there will be hella traffic, so I'm shocked that it's all green and it only says 36 minutes and not 54. But we don't question God when he's giving us blessings. I'm just gonna show you guys my little wind down routine. It's not gonna be wake up the man. It's not gonna be a typical wind down because there's not gonna be any wine present. I have no wine at home. I have no white rum at home. I don't have any liquor actually at home, so it's not gonna be given to the full extent. But you're gonna get the idea. We're just gonna be sipping on water tonight. I typically love driving like this, like, you know, I just gotta just cock it up, you know. What made my shift so long and difficult? First of all, I was already working several shifts before this one, and I had my assignment, you know, I had the same assignment. Why I come into work today and my assignment was completely different? Man, the attitude that I had was very strong. But I was upset. The nurse who, you know, we were giving reports to each other, she was upset because, you know, when you have your little partner that you always give reports to back and forth, when you guys have the, you know, you have shifts back to back together. Yeah, it was a vibe. Like, we had a little thing going and then they ruined it. So she was pissed because she was like, I'm not about to give a full report to somebody new. And I was like, it's okay. Like, we're just, you know, it's okay. Whatever the need is, that change, fine. And she's like, no, it's not okay. They can't do that to you. You have these babies. You know these babies. You know what's going on with them. And I was like, girl, it's okay. Like, it's all right. So yeah, my assignment was completely different. The one baby was having a very, very rapid status change and it was pretty urgent, so that took up a whole lot of the shift. Just getting her sorted, making sure she was okay, doing the extra examinations. Literally that took from about 7 a.m. till about 1:30 p.m. It was like a whole spectacle, but she's okay and stable now, so I'm happy for that. I met her parents and, you know, got them calm because it was very nerve-wracking for them. But yeah, she's so cute. And then my other baby was having just big moments, like, you know, feeding for the first time and things like that. So with him, it wasn't like necessarily like crazy, it was just busy. So the other baby was just very tasky. He had a lot of firsts, milestones, and then, you know, we had to make them extra long. Like, it could be a milestone that I could complete in 30 minutes, but parents are there, so it's really taking an hour and a half because they want pictures and they want this and they want that. So, you know, and I have to make sure they get what they want because this is their baby, you know, it's a moment. So yeah, I had a very long day. People in the unit were being very helpful, trying to help with delegation and trying to help with getting things done. But I'm just one of them nurses that I want to do it myself. I want to take care of my babies. If I have the facilities and the means to, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for my baby. Nobody else is gonna do it for me. Oh, you need a gas? I got it. Oh, you need labs? I got it. Oh, he needs a sugar? Well, same thing as labs. Or, oh, he needs a urine analysis? I got it. I don't want nobody touching my kids, you know? That's just me. Because if anything happens, I want to be able to say, I last assessed them at this time and this is how they look. Now we're having a status change, you know? And if somebody else does it, then I don't know. I don't have a reference point. I don't know, I'm just particular. That's the ICU nurse in me. Vision of me is she perverted like me? Will she go down on you in a theater? Does she speak eloquently? And will she have a baby? I'm sure she makes a really toboggan in the bathroom. I never show brushing my teeth and washing my face, but obviously those things happened. I just got these 2 items off the TikTok shop. And I'm really hype about them. So it's this Dr. Malaxin peel shot. I got both of them. I got the black rice and the white rice. Because I've heard really great things and I'm really excited. My face has been going through a lot ever since. I tried to do one peel thing and it did not work out. My skin is so sensitive.
Bitch, what the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? Bitch.
It's come a long way. We've come a long way with it. I don't know what to do with it. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. I'm me doing this on a white shirt. I always try to do new stuff when I'm wearing white. And I should have had my contacts in because I can't see anything. This look like... Oh wait, I think you're... Oh my gosh, wait, the dead skin is dead skinning right away. Oh, wait a minute. I thought this stays on your face. I thought this was a mask. This is not a mask. This is an exfoliant of some sort. Oh my gosh, look at the dead skin going. Yo, yes. Ooh, we're gonna do this whole... Now wait a minute. We gotta get everything now. We can't... Nobody left behind. Bumbleclot. Bumblecloticals. Wow. The dead skin is dead skinning. Look at this. I have brand new skin up in this bitch. Brand new skin up in this bitch. Boy, I'm just not mature enough for stuff like this. Like, I'm really not. Oh, I like the white one better. I really don't know what the difference is between the two. I'm gonna have to do some TikTok research. But I think I like the white one better though. I like how it feels on my skin. And the smell, it smells good. Oh, I definitely like the white one better. It's hard to explain, you just gotta be there. Okay, leave-in conditioner. I'm an Aussie girl, and then I'm gonna use this. I love my Aussie. Nobody can touch my head. Literally nobody can touch my head. Including me. Alright. That's gonna have to be able to work for now because my camera is just... That's not too bad. I gotta go put some moisturizer on my face. This is how it's going to be for night. Okay, so I always use bio oil. This is like my go-to bio oil. Lately I've been doing CeraVe PM, and then this was recommended to me by one of my doctors. So yeah, let me try and wipe my face a little bit better. Progress. Ooh. I'm 30 pounds lighter than when I was last on YouTube, and I'm bloated because that time of the year. I mean, that time of the month. I wish it was the year, damn. I'm loving my progress. I'm loving my progress. You know, it's given or whatever. It's like, let me stop. So let me go ahead and prepare dinner. I'm not even hungry at all. I honestly would just go to bed just like this, but I'm trying to do better about eating because I don't eat. I'm going to quickly just warm up some food that I already have, some chicken, and yeah, we're gonna see. And I'm gonna eat my bed.
Breaking news as we come on, what the video shows, the controversial second strike killing survivors.
So I'm about to just watch the news and just catch up on the world. I like to watch the news pretty much every day, even though it's depressing. You know, it's not really all that great. But I gotta keep up with the world, so I'll watch David Muir, ABC. I'll watch a BBC news channel, like more worldly news. I'll watch Jamaican news channels, of course. Like, you know, I just keep up with as much as I can the world. So and just eat. More times than not, I put on a murder mystery as well. I love my murder mysteries, but yeah. So I dress like this in like workout type clothes because I wanted to go to the gym, but I'm honestly feeling like I'm not gonna go. I really wanted to go, but I think I'm just gonna do that tomorrow, and that can be like a day in the life routine. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much, my hair looks so crazy. That's pretty much my wind down with me routine. Typically, like I said on the drive here, I would have like some wine or some Wray and Nephew and pineapple juice, or passion fruit juice really. But I'm just chilling tonight, water on the side. And yeah, that's really it. Reflect on the day, reflect on the fact that I made it through this crazy day. So yeah, that's really it. That's my get unready with me routine. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Look more.